Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video, tinatawag na Bomb Tower in Roblox. And let's get started, okay? So ngayon guys, 'di ba dahil tayo ay pinaka matagal na nag-upload and I mean, hindi man pinaka matagal na upload, pero guys, yung last video ko is sobrang tagal na, okay? Pero guys, maglalaro po tayo ng Bomb Tower, okay? Bomb Tower. Okay guys, bilisan mo. Go, 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 no, no! Oh my goodness, wait lang. Hindi guys, 'di ba yung mga YouTuber, 'di ba marunong sila mag wall hop, 'di ba? Okay, kaya let's try that, okay? Let's try. Okay, anyway, so press the left button to join the group. Teleport, okay? Teleport. Anyways, let's get here. Yay, let's go. No. Okay. Subukan niyo. Ay, thank you bro. Hey. Wag sa akin bro. Wag sa akin bro. Wag sa akin bro. Oh my goodness. Ayun sila guys, oh. Bye-bye. Ayun sila, oh. Boom. Panis. Sabog. Joke lang. Anyways, guys, okay? Let's beat this game, okay? Kasi guys, hindi ko pa alam kung ano pinaka-end ng game na to. Kaya, let's try naman na i-beat tong game na to, okay? Kasi, I'm pretty interesting, okay? Dahil, guys, na if you are watching my old videos, okay? You are very intelligent and you are very good at this, but if you are doing good at this, but you can just actually subscribe, okay? Please. Can I get a 3 likes for this video or 1 like? Please. I need it. Because if I compute all the likes, that's what I receive in my subscribers, okay? But for now, please, I warned you. I mean, I'm not gonna warn you because please subscribe, okay? Okay? Y'all are watching the video, but you're not comment, okay? You guys are not comment my all videos, but I can accept the likes, okay? I accept that likes. So anyways guys, so ito na nga. Let's get to Tagalog, okay? So ito guys, okay, as for now, hindi ko pa alam kung hanggang saan tong tower na to kasi I'm very interesting na i-play tong game na to kasi marami players na naglalaro to, especially sa mga shorts video na nakikita ko sa YouTube, okay? Okay, may troll dito. Okay, so meron itong troll. Okay. Anyway, so let's go here. Let's try to beat this game under 3 minutes, okay? I mean, joke. 3 minutes daw. Ano daw? 3 minutes? Kaya mo ba 3 minutes? Hindi naman kaya, di ba? Anyway, so, yeah. Let's try. Hope. Be careful here because I don't wanna die. Joke. Wait. Asan? Where's the next part? Here. There you go. Okay, there you go. Ano yun? Yung finish line. Let's go, y'all. I'm gonna beat it under 3 minutes, guys. Yo. 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Under the 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Under 4 minutes, I'm gonna beat this game, yo. Yo, bro. Did I beat it, guys? Yo. I'm almost there, bro. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Yes, I'm gonna beat this game. Let's go. Let's go. Shrimps. No. Bro, what are... Oh my goodness. Dude, are you serious? Are you serious, bro? Bro, what the heck? Bro, seriously. Anyways, guys. I don't wanna beat the game, but... There you go. No! Oh my goodness, bro. Are you serious? Go, guys, go. Go, guys, go. Go, y'all, go. Shit. Dude. There you go. I thought I was gonna fall, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I thought I'm gonna... Bro, stop giving me some bombs, bro. Stop giving me some bombs, bro. Y'all are being serious, bro. Come on, please, chat, please. I mean, what chat, bro? I don't have a live stream chatting, something like that. Bro, please, stop. Give me some bombs, bro. Stop, okay? Yo, please, wag na, please, okay? Kasi, I'm gonna sing. Hindi na Bro, oh my goodness. Yep. 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 That's yours. That's yours. No, 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 no. That's yours. That's yours. Yep. 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 Okay. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. No, bro. Are you serious though? All of y'all trolling me. Like all of you are. Oh my goodness. Anyways, chat. Why chat? Why chat? Okay. I don't want to say chat because I don't have a live streaming something like chat. I mean like chatting something like bro. Anyways guys, so yun lang po sa video natin, sana ma-enjoy nyo. Yun lang po talaga sa... Nag-outro pala ako, oy! Oy! Nag-outro lang ako, boy. Boy, chill. Oh, ano. Sige. So, yun. So, yun lang po sa video na to, and sana ma-enjoy nyo. Yun lang po sa Bomb Tower, and thank you, and goodbye. See ya. Bye-bye.